friends! Welcome back to Number Fun with Friends. Today we're going on a subtraction safari. Are you ready to subtract some fun? Subtraction is like taking away. Let's start with some simple subtraction adventures. Look at these 5 bananas. If 1 banana is eaten, how many are left? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 bananas are left. Now, it's your turn. Can you find something and subtract 1 from it? What if we have 4 apples and we take away 2? Let's see. 4 minus 2 equals 2. Let's subtract with actions now. If you take 5 hops and then subtract 2 hops, how many hops did you do? Let's do it together. 5 hops minus 2 hops equals to 3 hops. Imagine you have 6 balloons and 2 fly away. How many balloons do you have now? Let's subtract. You have 4 balloons left. Great job subtracting today. We subtracted bananas, apples, hops, and even balloons in our story. Remember, subtraction is just taking things away. You're becoming great at subtracting. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be a subtraction expert. Join us next time on Number Fun with Friends for more number fun. Bye for now.